So today the main issue here, sorry about in Tamil here. So see the heading there. So the international market price of gold and the Indian price traded mainly in the MCX is not matching each other. So what is happening? So basically 0.1, 0.2 percentage here and there difference is okay and acceptable because of dollar change. Because in dollar terms it is get converted and it gets reflected in the Indian rupee. So, but here if you see, this is somewhere around 40 minutes ago. This one was prepared. So I can even make it bigger. So, so this price doesn't match at all. Like it's 0.6 percentage down and then 0.23. Quickly we can get to the live also. The live showing of the price in this live. So silver you can see here. Around 4 percentage, and here it's just around 1 percentage. Quickly let me show you the live prices. So we make this a bit smaller. So this section you have to observe. So this one I cannot make it in an enlarged view. So please check this video at later part in your desktop or laptop, not in your mobile, but you can understand the juice of the conversation with respect to the price difference here. I'll explain here a little bit slowly. So you see here the commodities, the gold international price is 0.33 percentage down as of now, and if you see the Indian price, it is 2.5 percentage up, which is significantly abnormal. And then here if you see silver is around 3.5 percentage down, and here you can see it is 1 percentage only down. So here is like a double discrepancy. Apart from this is actually gold and silver doesn't match with respect to the percentage, but at least in terms of a slight trend, it will reflect. Like you will see it like kind of 1 in 1,000 days. But I don't have the data, but I have never seen such a big difference between gold and silver itself. It happens like half or something like that, even 1 percentage. But if you take it here, it is like -1 and plus 2.5 means is 3.5 full difference. So in terms of percentage or fold, you can normalize in whichever and see this is completely different. So where it is completely synchronizing, you can see here the energy here. Here everything is in the same platform here. You see here the MCX crude is 1 percentage up, and the international price here is 1.7. So the difference is 0.5. This is okay, a little bit acceptable here and there, and taken into the consideration of the crude volatility, etc. So here it's completely kind of what's happening means like we'll come to know about this maybe in 1 or 2 days. But what I can guess here is the volatility today brought by the settlements today, which is happening maybe in the Indian market, because yesterday was a settlement day for the silver, and August 5th it's going to be the settlement day for the gold, August 5th, which is going to be Tuesday. Okay, so today is Friday. So usually the trading, most of the guys stops around 4-5 days before. So that should be one of the major reasons. But we will come to know. But at this point of time, these kind of days are a little bit very tricky. So nothing much about investing, or else even the gold jewelers or the petroleum bunker owners, they don't invest in the commodity market, but they are the ones who have to invest. This has got nothing to do with today's topic, but basically point I want to make. But it's kind of a trading activity which is the most phenomenal one which is happening here in the Indian markets. So it's not like the stock market you can buy and hold and as an investor. So here that kind of mindset and activity I don't think we don't have much data also in that. So that is completely different topic to related in little bit indirectly related to here. But today is a kind of a very special day, very unique day. Somewhere like 2 years ago, the crude went all the way very low, or not even very low. It went to the negative levels. In one of the closing trades of the month. So it happened. But even in the negative, the next month was trading somewhere around $8 per barrel. The 2 years ago, that story I'm saying. So these kind of phenomena are happening for whatever reasons, because of certain position by big people, or else a kind of algo error, or else some kind of exchange error. All these things we'll come to know, but this may be a straightforward volatility related to Indian market because of the settlements which are happening. So this is with respect to the news, and then how we digest it and how we avoid the noises. But the trader, what to do here today is basically the best option would be take a rest, take a break here, avoid my very bad handwriting. So it's a take a break today. So that is the best strategy. But still, if you want to do put something like kind of a waiting trade. So waiting trade in the sense, like for example, if you are going for the silver here. So silver, I have already captured the information here. Go with respect to kind of a forceful 30 minutes candle I'm trying to do, and try to play with the 40-point move. So I have captured this information here. So expect go for a sell here. Okay, so go for a sell here, and then expect a target of 400 points, and then stop loss. So it's high volatility, keep 400 points. So which means the target here roughly around 59,000, 59,322. So I'm just writing the target, and the main thing is stop loss is the main thing. So stop loss is P8 522. So have the strict stop loss, and then look for this one. And we have put for the gold also. So there is a video before that, but that is Tamil. But still you can pick up the levels here. But I give the levels here. So this is not important today. Trading comes every day and goes every day. So I'll quickly tell you the levels here. In fact, he gave a go for a sell here somewhere around based on this pattern, but it didn't punch here because it is outside the value here. So it is already 2.5%, and it's in the upper circuit. We did give, and then we really sorry this could not. But there's one more thing we gave on the buy side. So you can put and wait on a buy side somewhere around 50, 890. So we are sorry about this. But you don't have to sell here, because sometimes they will hold it on and then open it up, and then it may open another 1% up. So the chances of that is merely like 2-3% only. But anything can happen in the market. Like 2 years ago, nobody expected crude to become not even zero, but it traded in negative. Traded in negative, what it means, like you go to a petrol bunk, you fill in your tank of petrol, the petrol bunk cashier gives you cash for filling your tank. So that is what it means. That is what it happened. Not in the petrol bunk story I am saying, but in a kind of international exchange of these paper kind of trading things which are happened that day. And even in that day, the futures and then was trading around $8, and the point is, I think that was the low. And then if at all somebody would have bought from there, and from there the uptrend has started, and till today now it's around 8,000 in Indian rupees. It's around 8,600 or 700 today. So it is traveling in that area. And then in dollar terms, $110 it's traveling. So it has traveled all the way from -0 to 110. So this is little bit about the history, and like that, that's a very special day. And today is also another kind of a special day. And special day is not kind of a person's birthday or something. So here special day. So here is not about celebration or something. It's a celebration in terms of when you take a break. I think it's a celebration for you. You just do this, which is the best trading to do today, and then enjoy this day, and then you get the weekend coming. So market are there for hundreds of years, and then it's going to be there. It's going to be longer than you and me. So today is a kind of a special, unique day. So I'm just repeating because kind of don't get impulsive and then get into a wrong trade, and then because get hurt yourself, because if you see what's happening is some big institutional players or investors may be driving these things crazy, and it's kind of very difficult even for the big people to hold beyond one day, I think. So it's very difficult. That much money I don't think anyone has, or else even anyone will be allowed to have, because quickly the opposite side, the buyer's side will be one side, sellers so the others will get the news, pick up the news, and then they will try to harvest the things in such a way the normalization happens within the levels. So and then the whoever like who's holding the thing for a kind of a trend cannot hold it for beyond a point. This can happen in stock market in small companies like which are having a market cap of less than 100 crores, or even like even 100 crores with 2 3 people together with 10 20 crores or 30 crores with capital, they can determine the price movement. But these things in the commodity market, which are very international, it has to reflect the international trading pattern. So this thing is a kind of special and unique, which I am telling today. And these things, I think, not hopefully will get normal. It will get normalized even by the end of this today, or else definitely by Monday it will get normalized. So the best strategy here, I put it in my bad handwriting, is just avoid today and then enjoy this day. And maybe crude is traveling and trading in okay, so you can focus on crude today. So thank you very much. So with respect to the stock market trading and commodity trading, and for investment also, you can touch base with us to learn about the in and out of these things, and then we can take you from the basic level all the way to the advanced level. Please check our websites, and if the insights given today is of useful to you, please share with your network, and we'll be back soon. And in fact, 10 o'clock, we have said to ourselves every day 1 o'clock and 10 o'clock we'll be there. So 10 o'clock we'll be there again with to pick up something if happens interesting with the financial markets. See you soon. And if you like, please give a like and also share.